Hi everyone. One of the easiest repairs on Range Rover, and one of the common ones, the side light. The reverse light, you just open the hood, take one screw out, and just pull the top, lift it up, and the bulb, just twist it, comes out. Take this one, replace with one that's complete. Put the bulb back in. Give me a sec, I'll do the bulb. Right, as you can tell, you've got that at the bottom, so you just put that in, just hook at the top, that just goes in, put the bulb back in, and that's pretty much it. Classic. Genuine Range Rover parts. Anyway, fixed. All for about £14, I think. And that's for £13 for the second hand one. There's new ones at about 16 quid, I think, with postage. So not too horrible. Right, I'll see you on the next one.